In today's video, I will teach you how to make an RGB halftone effect using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the menu bar, open the Select tab and select Subject. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl J to make a new layer with only the subject on it. Now, change the background color to whichever you like. And once you're satisfied, add a new adjustment layer and select Black and White. Now, change the preset to Maximum Black and add another adjustment layer, but this time, select Brightness and Contrast. Here, adjust the settings until your image has a clear contrast in between the colors. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and select all layers by holding down Ctrl key while clicking on each layer, then press Ctrl E to merge all layers. Now, convert the image to a smart object so that we can still edit the filters later on. Then, open the Filters tab and select Blur, then Motion Blur. Then adjust the motion blur until it looks something like this. Now, open the Filters tab once again and select Pixelate, then Color Halftone. The value that you must input on the radius depends on the resolution of your image. You can still adjust it later, but for the meantime, you can set the value to 40, then set the Channel 1 to 123, Channel 2 to 66, Channel 3 to 22, and Channel 4 to 50, then click OK. You can adjust and play around with the filters until you're satisfied. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.